If you've ever wondered how to send money from Cash App to Apple Pay, you're not alone. And while there's no direct one-tap way to do it, today I'll walk you through the exact steps to make it happen quickly and easily. Stick with me till the end because I'll also share a tip that saves you time and fees. First, open your Cash App and tap your balance in the bottom left corner. This brings up your balance options. Tap Cash Out, then choose how much money you want to transfer. You'll see two options: standard deposit and instant deposit. Standard is free but takes 1 to 3 business days, while instant moves your money right away but charges a small fee, usually between 0.5% and 1.75%. If you need the money in Apple Pay right now, instant deposit is the way to go. Once the money lands in your bank account, open your wallet app on your iPhone. Make sure your debit card is added. And importantly, it must be connected to the same bank account that your Cash App uses. Tap your Apple Cash card, hit the 3 dots in the top right corner, and choose Add Money. Enter the amount you just cashed out, tap Add, then confirm the transfer with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. And that's it. The money is now ready to spend with Apple Pay. Here's my quick tip. If you often move money this way, keep your bank account linked in both apps so you can transfer funds faster without re-entering details each time. And there you go. You've just learned how to move money from Cash App to Apple Pay in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick money how-to guides. And don't forget, I've left helpful links in the description below for tools and guides that save you even more time and fees.